What's up everybody, I'm Hernandez here. So for this video, we're gonna do a simple setup, which includes a V-flat, white backdrop, and my favorite go-to studio setup, the 70-inch umbrella. My friend model Cynthia reached out to me that she has a few looks that she wanted to do, but pretty much it was this braid attached, like weave. I don't know what to call this, because as you can see, I don't bother with hair. Don't kill me, but you can educate me in the comments down below what you call this. Or like a weave? Is this braid attachment considered like a weave? Let me know down below. But anywho, she wanted to do a simple look, and I was like, you know what, let's take advantage of this opportunity. Let's try to do something with it, you know, play with the hair a little bit. We brought in a stool so that she can use the chair as a prop to give more options. So yeah, this was a simple setup. I shot this at Magnum Opus Studio in Jersey City. Check them out if you're in the area. They actually have great gear there, so if you have no lights, nothing to use, they can supply you with that and you're good to go. So no excuses when it comes to shooting off camera flash. That's it for me in this video. Comment down below, tell me which one was your favorite shot, and you'll be seeing more of this soon. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and see you in the next one.